This is REALME 14x, and today I'll show how you can switch on or off the TalkBack feature on this device. The first step that you'll need to take is to launch the Settings app. Here, enter the Accessibility and Convenience category and go for the Accessibility. Now select the Vision section, open the TalkBack, and first, less convenient method to toggle the TalkBack on or off is to, well, do that directly from this page by moving this toggle. Or there is a much more convenient way to do that. So switch on the TalkBack shortcut, both button and volume keys. And now you can switch the TalkBack on or off using this button. Or by simultaneously pressing and holding both of your volume buttons. I have unfortunately switched off this shortcut by accident, so let me quickly get back to the TalkBack settings and put it back on. Accessibility, Vision, TalkBack shortcut, here it is. So once again, simultaneously press and hold both volume keys to switch on the TalkBack, and do the same in order to switch it off. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.